Technology has the ability to change the way we live, to give us more features, more conveniences, more uses than before.
Items, all that type of jazz. What do you got?
One of my favorite things of the year. This is just a matter of time before these came out. This is a Bluetooth lock from a company called Dog&Bone. It's not opened with a key anymore. It's opened with an app on your phone. So a little extra layer of security there. If you lose your phone, you will reinstall the app. It will keep track of your information. You will be able to open up your...
It's a one-time use, whether it's all the time, and it's trackable, so you can see who opens it and when, and what a genius way to be able to unlock a lock.
I could see that being very handy for school lockers where, you know, the school needs access, right. They can just unlock them all at once.
Yep.
Or if you've got a bicycle or something that the kids are sharing and they can all have access to it, but then you can see who had it last.
Right.
Technology is advancing to a new keyless age. A patented first keyless Bluetooth padlock is helping take us there. More features, more conveniences, more security than before. LockSmart.